Today I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly on a 2006 to 2013 Impala or a 2014 to 2016 Impala Limited. My driver's side taillight got a hole in it somehow. I'd put some duct tape over the hole until I got a new assembly ordered, which I got from Amazon. It's right around $60, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. And if you own one of these cars and you have to do this job, you're in luck, because it's very easy to do on this vehicle. So there really isn't much to it, and you don't even need any tools. So open your trunk, and mine's on the driver's side, so we're going to go over on the left side, right behind where the light is, inside the trunk. And there's a fastener right there that holds the carpet in. So you just remove that by turning it counterclockwise, and that comes out. Now that that's removed, you're going to pull this carpeting back out of your way so you can get access to two more fasteners. So now with that liner pulled out of the way, you can look inside and see two fasteners, there and there. And those are what actually holds the taillight assembly in. So we're going to unscrew both of those. And you can unscrew those with your fingers, no tools needed, which is really great also. It just takes a while to unloosen them all the way. There's one, and there's the second one. And the two I took off are slightly different from the one that was holding the liner in. This one's made a little bit different in case you wanted to put a netting in your trunk. So be sure you don't get these mixed up. Use this one for fastening the trunk liner back in. So now we're going to remove the taillight assembly, and there's a little lip right here that you can pull out on, and that comes right out. Don't yank it all the way out because it is attached by a wiring harness there, right here. Just lay it down like that on the end of the car, and there's a little tab right there that you lift up on, and it'll pop right out. So now you can remove the old assembly. Put that aside. And this is my replacement taillight assembly. And from the reviews I read from the company I bought it from on Amazon, it's an exact fit, an exact replacement. So it should go right in without any problems. So we'll see. And these little spongy cushions stay on there. And when you put it back together, you just have to make sure all the holes line up, of course. I'm just test fitting it right here. Looks fine. So now I'm going to reattach that wiring harness. So there's the plug I took out before. There's the receptacle on the new assembly. So I'm going to snap that in there. That went on easily. But before I put it all back together, I'm going to make sure that the lights work in it. It does come with bulbs, and I want to make sure that those bulbs are intact and good. So I just set it in there. Now I'm going to try out the different lights. Got the flashers on. That's just the turn signal by itself. There's the brake light, and there's the backup light. So all the lights work. So it looks like I've got a good fit here. So I'm gonna put it back together. And that's just a matter of putting those two fasteners back on. I got that one started already. So I'm going to finish up with the other one. I've got both of those back on already. You hand tighten them snugly. And now I'm going to put this liner back in. You push that liner back in under the edges of this plastic piece so it's tight and secure. The very last thing is just to fasten that liner down. Job finished. So there you go, out with the old, in with the new. And that was one of the easiest repairs I've ever done on a vehicle. Quick and easy. The whole thing took less than 10 minutes, and if I can do it, so can you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.